How to recover permanently deleted photos on iPhone. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can recover permanently deleted photos on your iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, recovering permanently deleted photos, as in this case, means let's say you deleted a photo and then you also happen to delete them from your recently deleted. When you came to the albums tab and then let's say you went to recently deleted, you happen to delete it from here as well, right? So how do you recover it? Well, unfortunately you can't recover it, because even if you delete them from recycle bin, there's no way for you to actually recover it. Now, one hope is that if you had luckily backed up your photos to your iCloud, let's say, so you can open up your Safari browser instead, and then you can go to iCloud.com and then try to look for the photos inside your iCloud account, because sometimes it could have already been backed up if you're lucky. So even if you deleted them from your phone, it would not be an issue, but if it's not there, then there's really no way for you to recover it from anywhere else. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.